Today, we are excited to bring you 12 military inventions. We cover topics about Amazon products, gadgets, and amazing top videos on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Number 1. Smart Shooter Smash. The Smart Shooter Smash is a groundbreaking firearm accessory revolutionizing shooting accuracy. This innovative system employs cutting-edge technology to enhance marksmanship by seamlessly integrating onto firearms. Using advanced target acquisition and tracking, it assists shooters in acquiring and maintaining aim on moving targets. Its intuitive design allows for rapid and precise engagement, optimizing accuracy and reducing the margin for error. With its compact and user-friendly interface, the Smash redefined shooting proficiency, offering a significant advantage to military, law enforcement, and sports shooting professionals by streamlining target acquisition and improving overall shooting performance. Number 2. Spartan. The term Spartan often refers to simplicity, resilience, and discipline, inspired by the ancient Spartan civilization known for its warrior ethos. Embodying minimalism and strength, being Spartan means prioritizing essential needs over luxuries, fostering endurance and mental toughness. It signifies an uncluttered, focused lifestyle that values efficiency and determination. Often used in contexts that emphasize rigorous training, dedication, and resourcefulness, being Spartan represents a mindset of resilience, discipline, and dedication to achieving goals through minimalism and unwavering determination. Drawing inspiration from the historic reputation of Spartan warriors for their resilience and unwavering dedication to their cause. Number 3. Fibertex Mobile Camouflage System. The Fibertex Mobile Camouflage System is an advanced solution designed to provide mobile concealment and protection in various environments. Utilizing cutting-edge materials and technology, it offers adaptable camouflage capabilities, enabling users to conceal vehicles or equipment swiftly and effectively. Its innovative design allows for quick deployment and reconfiguration, blending equipment or vehicles seamlessly into different surroundings, whether natural or urban. The system's versatility and durability make it a valuable tool for military operations, enabling stealth and protection by offering customizable, mobile camouflage solutions tailored to diverse terrains and operational requirements. Number 4. Alaska Defense. Alaska Defense may refer to various aspects, such as a defense strategy, military operations, or security measures related to the state of Alaska. If you're referring to a specific product, organization, or concept, I might not have information on it. Alaska's defense strategies often revolve around its geographical significance, strategic military bases, and unique challenges due to its remote location and Arctic climate. Military defense in Alaska prioritizes national security, surveillance, and readiness, with considerations for territorial protection and cooperation with neighboring countries on Arctic-related security concerns. Number 5. MMH Mobile Modular Hospital. The MMH Mobile Modular Hospital is a versatile and adaptable healthcare facility designed for rapid deployment in emergency situations or remote areas. This innovative modular system comprises interconnected units, providing essential medical services such as emergency rooms, operating theaters, patient wards, and diagnostic facilities. Its flexible design allows for quick setup and customization based on specific needs, enabling healthcare professionals to deliver comprehensive medical care efficiently. Equipped with state-of-the-art medical equipment and infrastructure, the MMH serves as a vital resource during crises, natural disasters, or situations requiring immediate medical aid, offering a scalable and efficient solution for healthcare delivery in challenging environments. Number 6. Casting a Brass Catcher. The Casting a Brass Catcher is an accessory designed for firearms to collect ejected brass casings, maintaining a cleaner shooting environment. It attaches securely to the firearm's ejection port, capturing spent brass casings during shooting sessions. Constructed from durable materials, it prevents brass casings from scattering or getting lost, aiding in range cleanup and brass recovery for reloading purposes. Its lightweight and compact design offer convenience and ease of use. ensuring a more organized and efficient shooting experience for gun enthusiasts and reloaders by preventing brass casings from scattering and simplifying the process of collecting spent cartridges. Number 7. NP Aerospace 4030 Elite. NP Aerospace 4030 Elite is an advanced ballistic-resistant shield designed for military and law enforcement use. Crafted with cutting-edge materials, it offers superior protection against ballistic threats while ensuring mobility and versatility. Its lightweight construction and ergonomic design allow for easy handling and maneuverability in high-risk situations. The 4030 Elite shield provides reliable defense against various firearms and ballistic threats, featuring a balance between robust protection and practical functionality, making it an essential tool for personnel requiring reliable, portable, and adaptable ballistic protection in demanding operational environments. Number 8. Elbit Systems Hattori X. Elbit Systems Hattori X is a revolutionary radar system designed for artillery locating and counter-battery missions. With cutting-edge technology, it provides accurate and real-time information on incoming enemy artillery and mortar fire. Hattori X offers rapid detection, tracking, and alerting capabilities, enhancing battlefield situational awareness. Its compact and mobile design allows for deployment in diverse terrains, providing critical protection for military forces. With advanced algorithms and reliable performance, Elbit Systems Hattori X sets a new standard in counter-battery radar systems, delivering precision and efficiency for modern military operations. Number 9. Copter Pack. The Copter Pack is an innovative personal flight system that combines drone technology with a wearable backpack design. This groundbreaking device allows individuals to take flight, featuring multiple propellers and an ergonomic harness. Offering vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, it enables short-distance aerial travel and maneuverability in various environments. With its compact and portable structure, the Copter Pack provides an exhilarating and practical mode of personal transportation. This futuristic innovation represents a significant leap in individual mobility, showcasing the fusion of drone technology and personal flight in a versatile and user-friendly package. Number 10. JFD Torpedo Seal. The JFD Torpedo Seal is an advanced swimmer delivery vehicle, SDV, designed for covert insertion and extraction missions. This cutting-edge submersible offers stealthy underwater transportation for Special Forces operatives. With its compact size and advanced propulsion system, it navigates silently and efficiently beneath the water's surface. The Torpedo Seal allows for swift and concealed deployment of personnel in tactical operations, providing a reliable and secure means of covert transport. Its state-of-the-art technology and versatility make it an invaluable asset for maritime operations, offering enhanced mobility and discretion for elite military forces. Number 11. Fawn Trackway. The Fawn Trackway is a robust and versatile temporary roadway system designed for military, disaster relief, and commercial applications. Made of durable aluminum or composite materials, it provides a stable surface over challenging terrains like mud, sand, or snow. With its interlocking panels, the trackway enables rapid deployment, facilitating the movement of heavy vehicles and equipment in otherwise inaccessible areas. Its modular design and lightweight construction allow for easy handling and transportation, offering a quick and effective solution for creating temporary roads or runways in diverse and demanding environments. Number 12. RAD. LRAD, or Long Range Acoustic Device, is a powerful and directional sound system utilized for long-distance communication and crowd control. This device emits focused, high-decibel sound waves that can be projected over significant distances. Originally developed for military and maritime use, it serves various applications, including law enforcement, emergency management, and commercial security. RAD's focused sound projection enables clear communication over extended ranges and can also serve as a non-lethal deterrent by emitting an extremely loud and disorienting tone, making it a versatile tool for long-range communication and crowd management in various scenarios. Thank you for watching this inventions and gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trend.